From good afternoon to good evening. Good evening, everyone. I can't hear everyone. Good evening. Okay. As you see on the board, I've written a topic, trigonometry. So you have an idea that I've come here for mathematics, and that too on batch number 15. So I hope everyone is present here physically and mentally. I would really appreciate if it is a two-way conversation, right? I'm not here to teach something. We will explore something new when we talk to each other, correct? Okay. My belief is whenever you learn anything in any subject, first thing that you should know is why you're learning it. Because सबसे पहले question, I hope bilingual is okay. मारू गुजराती એટલું સારું નથી એટલે little Hindi and little English. Okay? Why we learn something is very important. Memes बहुत देखते हैं. Where in life are we going to use sin theta? Where in life we are going to use cos theta? सबसे बड़ा question है. And बेचारे maths को वहीं पे blame किया जाता है. Am I right? Okay. Do you agree to it? You agree? Okay. Can you answer one question? How many of you know Hanuman Chalisa? Please raise your hand like this and up high. गर्व होना चाहिए, आना चाहिए, right? Okay. तो काफी लोगों को आता है. उसमें एक चौपाई है, जुग सहस्त्र जोजन पर भानु, जुग सहस्त्र जोजन पर भानु, लील्यो ताही. इसका मतलब Can anyone please tell me what is the significance of this चौपाई? No one? So let me tell you. इस चौपाई में जो यूनिट्स है, जुग, जैसे हमारे यूनिट ऑफ मेजरमेंट्स है मीटर, किलोमीटर, सेंटीमीटर, वैसे अ लार्ज यूनिट ऑफ मेजरमेंट इन संस्कृत इज जुग. एक जुग होता है 12,000 साल. सहस्त्र इज 1000. जुग सहस्त्र जोजन, जोजन मीन्स 8 miles. Okay, and if you multiply, if you simplify all of this, it gives you the distance between the earth and the sun. Correct? Correct? Now my question is, Hanuman Chalisa was written in the 16th century by Tulsidas ji, correct? Aditya L1 was launched in India in 2023, first solar mission of India. उससे पहले मे बी नासा ने लॉन्च किया था इन 1980s, राइट? बट 16th सेंचुरी में उनको कैसे पता था? हाउ डिड दे नो कि द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द अर्थ एंड द सन इज अप्रॉक्सिमेटली 1.536 into 10 raised to 8 kilometers. How did they know? Did they go to the sun? कि ऐसा क्या था, किसी ने रस्सी बांधी और जंप लेके सन तक गए, डिस्टेंस मेजर करके आ गए? Did that happen? No. So this is the application of trigonometry. Okay? Trigonometry is not just used in measuring distances, it is also used in aviation industry. I know you will tell teacher, मेरे क्या काम था? I am not going to become someone in the aeronautical engineering or in the aviation industry. नहीं बनोगे, but plane का use तो करोगे ना? Somewhere you are going to use it? Yes or no? I would really love if there was interaction. ना answers होंगे तो मजा आएगा. You are going to use it, and that is why trigonometry is a very important part. Criminology हो, aviation हो, architecture हो, in every field trigonometry is used. So let me just give a very quick explanation of the basic identities. If you see carefully on the board, I've written introduction to, but trigonometry मैंने साथ में नहीं लिखा है. How have I written it? I've divided into 3 parts: trigonometry. Trigonometry. What is the meaning of tri? Very good. 3. Very nice. So I have people answering. Gono. Like tell me. Gono means sides. Gono means sides. And metri? Metri. Metri comes from the word measurement. So measure, right? The measurement of 3 sides. Which is the geometrical figure with 3 sides? Louder? Triangle. So that means we are going to learn trigonometric ratios for triangles, and since we are doing trigonometry introduction, the basic triangle that we are going to take is a right angle triangle. Why a right angle triangle? Let's see that. Okay, if I look at a right angle triangle, Assume it to be a right angle triangle, okay? 90 degree. Let me name it as triangle ABC. Can you tell me what kind of angle is B? 90 degree. What can you say about A and C? Acute angles. They can be any two angles. Can you tell me which is the hypotenuse over here? Why is it the hypotenuse? We know the side which is opposite to 90 degree. The side 90 is called as the hypotenuse. So it has a name. Right? It has a name. What about the other two sides? We can give them names. Okay? सबको एक स्पेशल नाम मिल सकता है, उनका नामकरण करते हैं, ठीक है? We know these two are angles which are not being named till now. Let me consider any one of them. For here, I am taking angle C as the angle of reference. I am going to take angle C as the angle of. You can take if you want. I can go to angle C A also. For now, let's stick with C. I have given a name theta. So you have a name, I have a name. I have given a name to the angle theta also. Okay. The side which is right opposite to this reference angle, right side opposite to the reference angle theta is its opposite side. What do we call it? Opposite side, right? So side AB also got a name. What is the name given to the side AB? Opposite side. AC is called hypotenuse. What about BC? Adjacent मतलब see, when I am standing right opposite you, there is nothing common between you and me, so I am standing opposite you. But your partner, when you stretch your hand, you have something in common with each other, so that becomes adjacent. That becomes adjacent side. Now, if I take angle C in reference, can you tell me which are the adjacent sides? With point C in common, we have BC also and we have AC also. Am I right? Am I right? Yes. Yes. So, should I call this as adjacent or should I call AC as adjacent? BC. क्यों? Because AC को तो already नाम दे दिया है, उसका नामकरण हो चुका है. So which is left? BC. So we call this as the adjacent side, and that is why we prefer using a right angle triangle when we are initially learning about trigonometric ratios. Fine. I'll call hypotenuse with H. Okay. I'll use hypotenuse के लिए H, opposite side as O and adjacent side as A. So, which are the sides? We have O, H and A. Right? Now, I want you to use them and make ratios. For example, I make the first ratio for you. I have O upon H. Ratio मतलब fraction, division. I made the first ratio O upon H. Likewise, I want you to give me more ratios. Can you make ratios from O, H and A?
H upon A.
Very good. H upon A. Next. Anyone else? Very good. Please speak loudly. A upon H. We'll have H upon O. And we have O upon A, followed by A upon O. Children, I'm sorry, I just wrote it down because I was running short of time. Right? We wrote these ratios. Is there any other ratio you think of? We wrote ratios. And now हम इनका नामकरण करेंगे. We are going to name these ratios. The first ratio, O upon H. O stands for opposite side. H stands for hypotenuse. The name given to this trigonometric ratio is sin theta, and in short it is written as sin theta. Don't call it sin. उसने कोई पाप नहीं किया मैथ्स में आके. Okay, it's not sin. It is sin theta. Next ratio is A upon H, which is called as cosine theta. Right? O upon A is called as tangent theta. Likewise, H upon O is called cosec theta. H upon A is sec theta, and A upon O is cotangent theta. Now, understand one basic thing over here. When I say sin theta, it means sine, ratio of the sides opposite to angle theta. Please don't understand it as sin theta means sine into theta. No, this is not correct. This is not correct. Sin theta means ratio of opposite side to hypotenuse with respect to angle theta. Now if I give you maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes, maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes to just learn this, it will be very difficult, right? So I'll just teach you a very quick mnemonic जिसमें ये पूरा चैप्टर कवर हो जाएगा. काचा बादाम सबको याद है ना? याद है? याद है ना? तो वैसे एक क्रिंजी सा mnemonic बनाते हैं जो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री को एकदम इजी बना देगा. The mnemonic is old Ritik. ऋतिक रोशन याद है सबको? Old Ritik and his old Amisha. Old Ritik. मैंने बोला ना क्रिंजी थिंग्स ऐसे ही याद होती है. एक बार बोलो और याद हो गए. So the first ratio O upon H is sine, A upon H is cos, O upon A is. Now go reverse. H upon O, cosec. H upon A, and A upon O is cot. Right? Now from this table, there are many values that can be defined. If time permits, that could be done, but I think we'll have to stop here. But don't forget about the contribution by Hrithik Roshan and Amisha Patel in trigonometry. What is the mnemonic? Can you repeat for me? Old Hrithik. And the entire table is done for you. Had I been given a little more time, I would have taught you the entire trigonometry from here. Thank you so much. Thank you for being such patient audience and participating.